ki nongtrei jang ki bank beper ki bahap opok ka lama jang ka Meghalaya State Unit jang ka United Forum of Bank Union ki la pelong ye ka jang Iakhih jang ki ha SBI main branch ha Shillong menta ka sngi kani ka jang Iakhih jang ki kalong men persya e ta ka jingthmu jang ka Sorkar India ban ai penya nyo iki 2tylli ki public sector bank shakiriu shimet kini ki nong Iakhih ki lai thu ba kani ka jing le ka Sorkar kan kta ye ka yo ka kot jang ka jalla.
They're coming at you. They're coming at you and me. They're coming at our place. They're coming at our plate. Right now, we are under a public sector bank. Everybody is under a public sector bank. But if this happens that the bank is privatized, then this is going to affect me and you. Please let us understand that first of all. Let us not go to the mathematics. The mathematics is that the bank, they say that the bank should be privatized so that, we can have bigger loans and the bank will perform efficiency. The efficiency of the bank will improve. The overall, we should have 2-3 big banks. When they said we're going to merge the bank, we'll have 2-3 big banks. Now they're saying that we're going to privatize the bank so that the efficiency will improve. Now, please say this to yourself. Are you not efficient? Each and every one who's been working here, all my fellow colleagues who have been working here from the different banks, tell me something, are you not efficient? Are you by any way less than your counterparts in the private bank? When they are going to tell you that by privatizing the banks are going to be efficient, they are hinting that you're not efficient because now you're in a public sector bank, which is an outright lie and is an insult to everyone, including you and me. Now, if the banks are going to be privatized, what is the agenda? The agenda is very simple. I'm going to buy a bank. Since I control the government, I'm going to get a few big banks. Then once I get a few big banks, I'm going to take a loan either in my subsidiary's name, in somebody else's name, and then I'm just going to siphon off with the money. This is something that has happened in the past and everybody is a witness. The government is turning a blind eye to the very fact that it is giving away the depositors' money. When you talk about the stakeholders in the bank, every public sector bank, it is the common man's money which is there in a bank. It is not the money of only the big corporates. More than the money of the big corporates is the money of the common man which is there, which is being given away, being siphoned away to all these big corporates. And the government has got a vested interest in that. So when we are opposing privatization, it is not just we are opposing our livelihood as bank employees, but we are also here protecting the rights of the common man, protecting the rights of every small person, be it the person selling kwai there to the biggest businessman who's put the money with us. It is the public's money that we are safeguarding and which is being snatched away, which is being given away to all these corporates. I think there are a lot of school of thoughts on this as to whether the privatization will help or not. And everywhere that you read, you'll find it is not. Let us not go by the popular media.
We oppose, we oppose.
We oppose anti-public sector banks government down, down.
Down, 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 down.
Anti-public sector banks down, down.
Down, 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 down.
Inqilab Zindabad.
Zindabad, Zindabad.
Inqilab Zindabad.
Zindabad, Zindabad.
Bank employees kare pukar.
Inqilab Zindabad.
Bank employees kare pukar.
Inqilab Zindabad.
Bankar sanity zug zug yo.
Zug, zug, zug.
Inqilab Zindabad.
Zindabad, Zindabad.
UFU long live.
Long live, long live.
UFU Zindabad.
Zindabad, Zindabad.
16, 17 December strike, march on.
March on, march on.
16, 17 strike, march on.
March on, march on.
Kani ka jingya yin persya jumi ka dina kadau hakani ka Sorkar ka magadon ka jingthmu bahkan pynkylla si bang shimet ya 2tylli ka bang adu muta ka potong gidi bang iyo nongtrei ka kanio ya kata disinvestment kalau begini ki bang tiba don ni kita ki bang Sorkar ko kadon ka benta jom ka bang ka ba wi pesan di bang makani ka Sorkar pede ko magadon ka jingthmu bahkan wengi kata ka share jom ka bang sega wi pesan bahkan yo ya kata disinvestment ka ba 1.75 lakh crore na kadau ko ba ban mi ba kan iyo ka fiscal deposit mun kata jingtuna pa ka government di karon ka jingthmu jong ka government ko ba kandon ko wi ka amendment hakani ka banking act 2021 adum ta ki padia table juga ta kini pentu kala bank shimet ya artli ki bank ekali ji kala bank shimet kini tapi tang shibeta jong kai bukidon gaji kuno basha lendat hakani kidang ya kwa ba mentak sang sho artli ka bank hadin kata apa deh kidang ya naladepan privatize artli la kila ni mentang inu maila di kikin pen kala shi kata ka bank shimet ni ka artli ini gaji kumu jo pas kolom ba ta la da sedang ni artli ka bank suki dan lekat kala ban pen dan hadau yu baka Sorkar ka ko ban pen privatize ka dei ba ka kwa ba kini ki public sector bank ni ki bank Sorkar kan pen kala shi ki bank shimet dalam kala bank shimet pada menuban penyayi kita ki bank shimet di try jong ta bank try ki menu try ki ni spa ki corporate ko mengi ada pareng da pian pareng yang ki corporate ki ki spa ki penyayi ki bank dan nak kata apa penmu ka ika banja ka lomba kapisa ka bang hingi don bank kanu ka bank kamtam bini ki bank Sorkar ka kapisa jong pa ka kapisa jong pi kapisa jong kapisa jong pi kong badi kwai kapisa jong niu mahajan nang nia Shillong kadi kapisa jong ki dan nakani kapisa maki ki le kom no la ta kelas ka private bank kani kapisa ka badon jong pa kan ashi ki corporate kaki ram ki corporate le ki le yu sin ma ki la yo ai kani ram kinum siu kinom baka business jong ka mya show ngamla ban siu ngamla ban yu then the very government pada kan bail out ikini how kan ong bak ram ki la da ka de 6000 crore nai siu 6000 crore siu no bitang 3 crore kadi ka pisa jong nu ba kila bam kai ki pisa jong ba kata kan sta ba ki pai ka pisa jong pai ba kin bam dot ki spa kata kadi ko ina na ba nging ya le persya ya kani ka bar pa de ka long ba yuduk usuk hadu mentah ba iram lada kadi karam ko tang sipo haja ni lada kadi karam mak sekolah ba syukur hadu syukur ngina ki ram ibret kini kiram ro mono ba ai ki public sector bank ni kini ki bank Sorkar bahasa sini lada kala si bank shimet ini ki bank shimet ni ki private bank lanu ki ai ram nekin ai ki jingyarap duk usuk kata itu usuk kata rio berat beria sakoi pat kaban kata ba gadai ba nalor ba menta ki pun kini kena samla jungi ki baya kuat kap di hadu menta kini ki public sector bank ni ki bank Sorkar ki ki wini ki bank ki ba item mi kini ki kena samla ane lara sisen ba kala ka private bank kata ka lat bani okam jungi kena samla kata kata kena samla jungi kata ka ri kata ka jela jadi nak ni kata apa ni ale percaya privatization je adu menta ki padia pas sampai kadon gaji kumu je Sorkar pen kala bank shimet ya artli ke bank ya kata ni ya percaya kini gaji ni percaya kam dai tang ni ko jela jungi kini gaji ni percaya ka dai pro shirindia pro ki bank kini adon gaji ni khang tri kam ni ka strike ka khanru ba khanyu tri tingi sutu ba kini ki RC ba kini khang mangi ka bank kan don gaji ni ndiak kini sungu jinjar hi ki pajba kino mela bani on tepisa kino mela on si pisa andre kani ke jingile jungi pade ka dei ka pa nam ta kalawe jung ka ri jungi profit e na karpa dia profit ki pajba ba la dolong shoi ka khatsan tarek sumaya pendep ki kam ki ba ki ban ge bang ko kan ban nyung nya khang kani ke jinge khang bang ka dei nam ta jukti sia bro ka jinge khang bang kan nong hadu mentak ka jinge penbai ka dei kan ri ba kan nyu jung nyu de sabab